Inverness, Nova Scotia is famous for two world-class golf courses, Cabot Cliffs and Cabot Links, and the long stretch of golden sand beach. But what else is interesting about this place? When you arrive, you'll notice people squatting along the shore, sifting through rocks, and scanning the ground with intense focus. And it's not just kids. People of all ages are seriously invested in what they're looking for. Is it gold? Secret stones? A hidden treasure? Well, if you've guessed sea glass, then you're absolutely right. Sea glass is basically old glass from bottles, jars, sometimes shipwrecks that the ocean's been tumbling around for decades, smoothing it out and giving it that frosted, magical look. Fun fact, some people call it mermaid tears. Legend says mermaids cried sea glass when sailors were lost at sea. Anyway, if you're in Inverness, look down. You might just find a little piece of broken garbage that's now a collectible.